Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Okay, now go. No flying for you.
Yeah.
So I'm back.
I can't carry this thing and put it inside here. I already have.
What did I say? Okay. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make slime the easiest way.
The easiest way.
Okay. So this is not actually the slime that we're gonna make. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna need some glue tack. Glue tack, not blue. See, it's not blue. It's white. It's white. So then what you're gonna do is go to the washroom, apply soap on this, and wash it. I've already done those steps. Okay. So take your favorite marker. I'm doing red. Take a book that you don't use. I don't use this. Yeah, I don't use it. So then, take your marker. Open the cap. You don't have to open it. Then just start coloring on that back of the book. If you want front, also front. But I don't want fronts. I don't like the front part. So you guys, it observes it. Oh! It's not that not that dark, but showing it to you guys. Guys, instead of becoming red, it's kind of becoming brownish. I don't know why.
I'm jumping in the air. Hello, I am jumping on the air.
If you want to say one more word, then come and say. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your time is up. Okay. This is taking too long, and as you know, I'm not patient. But now I'm trying to be patient. Scribble, oh yeah. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What is it wrong for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. Everyone's terribly true. Any of you know all these songs? The Hardware What It Wants and We Don't Talk Anymore? Treat you better? Me too. Feeling better when I'm dancing. Actually better when I'm dancing. And closer. I don't actually closer, it goes like this. And a big stare at knowing that a city in a book down car ran. For it's no call, and I'm pretty in a hotel bar. No, I can't stop. So baby, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat. See, closer, closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know. Okay, now let's start singing. Whoa, my slime is ready. Ooh, ah. This is called red and red mixed with white slime. And I like making videos a lot, guys. And please comment down below and give me a big thumbs up. And be sure, and if you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe.